Hi, I'm Liz from Toy Tech. Let's go in and I'll show you all my favorite gift ideas. No matter what kind of car you have, it's always good to keep it clean. And our favorite products are Adams Polishes. Right here, we've got a whole kit and it comes with all of the components that you need to keep it looking great. You can also get all of the components. As you can see, we've got a whole selection here, as well as all of the great tools, and most of these are under $20. Max Traxes are another great gift idea. A lot of times people focus on building up their truck and they're so worried about the suspension parts that they forget about all the recovery gear. Max Traxes are great because you don't need someone else to utilize it. You can get yourself out of any situation, whether you're stuck in the mud, the snow, or the sand. Sometimes when you're out on the trails, accidents happen, and it's always good to have a first aid kit handy. These ones by Outer Limit have everything that you need until you can get back home safely. So another great gift idea is going to be the ARB air compressors. They'll inflate your tires, they go into your vehicle, and not only do they look cool, they have a great purpose. Also, through the end of the month of November, we're actually running a free promo where you'll get a free pump-up kit with the purchase of a compressor. This is a great gift idea. It's called the Weekender by ARB. It comes with everything that you need to recover a vehicle safely. It's only $131, so it's perfect for anyone in your life that likes to go off-roading. If you don't want to buy the whole Weekender bag, we do sell the strap separately. This one will only run you about $40. For the inner child in all of us, we also have these RC cars. They're really fun, they're really durable, and we even have replacement parts in case you break them. And last but not least, you can always get a Toy Tech gift card. Now through the end of the month, we're running our Black Friday sale. Make sure that you check out our Facebook page, our Instagram page, or any of the forums, and you'll be able to find the discount to get 10% off.